something like that. I am a vision.
Yeah, Barbados boy, won't give it up for the world. Nothing like coming home to the rock, boy, for real. Come on, let's go. Gem of the Caribbean Sea, one nothing with me. I am a Bajan, I'm a Bajan. Yeah, 166 square miles of pure love, pure smile. I am a Bajan.
Out of the battery!
Bro, this girl is so annoying!
I just set up everything in the heat, yeah, after she's supposed to set up 20 minutes ago.
Oh, gee. Hi, guys.
Look at your energy. Stop. I swear we got minus views.
The views, man. Hi, guys. Because I'm trying to wear Barbados.
We're in Barbados.
Kind of had like a discussion about what works, what doesn't work, content, length, what will attract you guys more.
There's a vital vlog because of our relationship, so we wanted to keep that, but have actual content rather than just vlogging for the sake of it. So 7 minutes in heaven will bring you 7 minutes describing, reviewing something, whether a place, a food, a hotel, a location, whatever. So this is 7 minutes in heaven. 7 minutes in heaven. Barbados edition. Right. Anyway,
why did you start enjoying? Every time
our battery,
it's limited, my enjoyment.
Spain and everything. Wow. Right. So time game strong. Yeah, so we're staying in the north and the south, believe it or not. Literally the highest point, St. Lucie, we stay with family there, and Christchurch, where we are now, which is our nan's house. So yeah, we've covered north to south, east to west.
I really like Sheraton.
Sheraton Mall is good. It's the best.
St. Lawrence is probably my
Alright, so let's talk about Sheraton. It's just like a shopping mall. So it's got a really diverse food court. Foods from all over. Really good food. It's got like your standard.
Got KFC, Burger King.
So it's got cultural, authentic as well as fast
traditional Bajan food.
So if you're going to eat, Sheraton's your place. St. Lawrence is that. Right, so we're
hi guys!
Hi guys. Hi guys.
I'm gonna hi guys please.
Right, we're at
hi guys.
We're at St. Lawrence is that. This is one of our 7 things to do in Barbados.
So we're gonna look around. This is like a really popular tourist attraction, you know.
We're going to see what St. Lawrence has to offer. This is a popular place for locals and tourists. Nighttime, highly recommended by locals.
It's like a hip strip.
Daytime. Yeah, it's like the strip of Barbados. So let's see what it's got.
I at first didn't want to go because when I heard about it, I was thinking this is not what I don't like strips and clubs and hot spots.
So St. Lawrence is the strip of Barbados, also known as.
I'm not really a part.
St. Lawrence is the strip, also known as the Gap. They're just in the middle.
It's called Blood Fire. She's a blood feed.
And then there's a Bajan restaurant which is good for smoothies and cocktails and Sharkies.
Sharkies, they have the best. When you go to Sharkies, make sure you order the berry burst.
Okay guys, so we found this restaurant. It looks super colourful, so we decided to stop. I want a smoothie as well, so it's handy. Adora is going to choose a smoothie with her eyes closed, or Stushie, I don't know. I'm going to count to 7, and whatever smoothie you land on, you have to get that one. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Banana berry. Sounds good to me? Sounds good to you? Well, we're getting it anyway. So we got it to go. And there's the drinks. Try it. Go on. What's your review, girl? Yeah?
Oh, it's nice. I thought it was going to be like thick and sweet or heavy. It's really light for a smoothie.
Very nice. I'm about to dive in, guys. Nice. Beaches. We've been to quite a few beaches. 2 of the ones that ring out for me are Miami Beach and the beach that I don't think has a name because I'm not sure it's supposed to go. I'm not going to say hey guys anymore. So what's up people, we're at Miami Beach, Barbados. Excuse the mess, I did look nice this morning when you had the sun. We're here.
But yeah, Barbados.
You know what? It lives up to a stereotype and more. The beaches are blue, green, turquoise, clear, fish, octopus, everything. The sand. No, it's for octopus.
That's the way you said it was funny.
The sand feels like marshmallows.
I'm going to rewind that and give it up.
The sand feels like marshmallows. Literally, best beach I've been to in my entire life.
Yes! Good Monday! I knew she'd be scared. I knew she'd be scared. Big wave! I'm joking.
Miami Beach for me is cancelled.
Why? Oh, the wig beach.
But we'll have to tell that story when we're home.
So let me explain what a ZR is. ZR or Cash and Word, which I like, is a Mac and Taxi.
I don't know.
Is a little minivan that they use as like an informal bus route, basically.
Charter.
Yeah, and it's basically $2 per ride. It takes you,
Which is like 60p.
yeah,
Something like that.
and it runs all across the island. It's like locals and some government run. Basically, people driving around, and there's loads of seats in the minivan, and people just going and going. And they blast music, and it's a nice vibe. Everyone say hi.
Hi. You alright? You alright, mate?
We're on the ZR bus to Miami
you.
Beach. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We're already here.
Thank you, we're there.
Yeah, if you're trying to get around and you don't have a car, you can't drive. ZR.
All them man hating, some hating boys. Cause they're still silent and I'm making noise. I'm causing drama with a different genre. And you could call me the Bajan Boy. You see I had a little buzz, now I gotta make some noise. And you only say I'm gone with toys. See I just grind, live my life and fill my days with joy. You should know better. Yeah, my man sound alright, but my flow's better. And she said when she hear the Bajan Boy, she claws wetter. And she got a changing panties and she's so fed up.
Oh, yeah.
I just tell her
Janemy, I will drop you look camera.
getting it while I try to see the
It's birthday emojis.
That's 8 legs.
Insert birthday emojis.
She must think she's a spider. Incy Wincy D, look, just put me in, I'll make it work. I'll come like a SIM card. And when it's time to rave, my guy shut down the whole thing, cuz